our MOSFETs testing. I'll give you 2 methods to test any MOSFET. Let's get started. Let's begin with this MOSFET. Make sure you select the diode mode in the multimeter. Here we have gate, drain and source. So the red probe on source, the black probe on drain, we get 0.5 drop voltage. Means this is N-channel MOSFET. But if I swap the probes, we have open loop. This is good MOSFET. But attention, once I touch the gate here, the MOSFET will become open, as you can see. If I go and select the continuity mode, as you can see here in the multimeter, and check between drain and gate, as you can see, we have continuity. Is this MOSFET shorted one? No, just because I touched the gate. What should I do right now? I should just shunt this pin like this and recheck again. As you can see, we have open loop, good MOSFET. But once I touch the gate again, means I will get a continuity again, as you can see. But just do like this, as you can see, no continuity. Let's check another MOSFET, the big one here, as you can see. Okay, so let's discharge the MOSFET first and then check between source, as you can see here, and drain. We get a 0.5 drop voltage. Once I swap the probes, I will get open loop, as you can see. But if I touch the gate like this, right now I inject a voltage or a current basically. And if I go to the continuity mode, now if I test between source and drain, as you can see in the multimeter, we get a reading. Normally I should get open loop. No open loop because the MOSFET is discharged. So let's test another MOSFET. This one, for example, let's check first if it is N-channel MOSFET or P-channel MOSFET. Basically, this is 11N60US MOSFET, a power MOSFET. Let's check. Let's discharge it first, and let's check between source and gate. We get 0.5 volt voltage. Okay, if I swap the probes, as you can see, no ready means good MOSFET. But once I touch again the gate, the voltage or the current is injected right now. If I go and recheck again, you see we get a ready. We get a ready. But once I shunt the 3 pins, or basically the gate and source, and recheck again, open loop. Again, touch the gate, check again, low ready. Okay, so this is the 2 methods we use to check MOSFETs. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and for anyone who want more unique content, you can join my Patreon page, the link in the description.